Okay, loves, welcome back. This was a struggle challenge, but anyway, this is the front part of the shirt. I put like some kind of lace on the side. I don't know if you can see it, but it's lace. I use this. So, now that I got the front part of my top done, now we're gonna wiggle. Satin is so slippery. But this is the back. I'm going to attach the back to the lace. That way it'll be a lace opening. Well, you know, we're just gonna put it right here, so that way it'll be laced through the sides. So with that being said, I'm gonna come back and we're going to finish the rest of it. Like I said, the shorts are done. I don't know if I want to cut it open and put the lace on the side, but we're going to try it on first and then see what happens. But in the meantime, in between time, the boy shorts are done. So stay tuned for the finished product.